So we got exactly what we didn't want to see on these Bitcoin charts. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this Bitcoin chart. The 200 moving average has totally been rejected. Like I said, it possibly would. I said at the end of those bullish videos that, hey, this could possibly happen, and it's exactly what happened. We spiked up. Let's just get right into the chart and let's talk right about it. So this is the Bitcoin chart right here on the weekly moving average. So wait, I'm using picture profile, so I don't know how this picture up here even looks. Probably looks kind of weird. Looks kind of weird on my display. But anyways, looking right here at this Bitcoin chart right here, we can see some pretty interesting things on the weekly. Not really interesting at all, actually. Things dipped below this 200 moving average, got pretty dippy from there. Last week it got interesting because we popped back above it. We got back all the way up to about 24K, and then we just failed at the last minute. At the end of the day. Yesterday at around 4 o'clock, the price just dumped right there, and I was like, man, I hope this doesn't happen. I hope this doesn't happen. This could be our first retest of trying to get back above this level, even though we got a bunch of other resistance above it. Just didn't want this to happen because that just spells bearishness on overall, which is kind of what we already knew. But anyways, looking at it on the daily, we can see that it does look pretty interesting. A lot of people are saying that this is the trend line right here. I've seen it on some other traders' charts. They're saying that this could be a retest right here. That's a very interesting bullish idea that this can come down, that this was a resistance for a while and it came up and it's retesting right here. It is above the 13 moving average on the daily, so that would be pretty nice for the price. We still do have some major resistance above us right now, but what I didn't want to see, was this get rejected, because now if we come back up and try to test it again and then we go back to the daily, if that happens, that's going to create some type of double top scenario, which would be even worse, and we don't want that. So now we're seeing that the bears are calling for lower and lower prices as the prices get lower and lower and lower. I'm still going to stick with my, hey, if we get super stupidly my bad, that line threw me off. If we get superly bearish, then yeah, 12K for me will probably be like some type of bottoming level, but I'm not seeing that yet. I'm seeing that we do have something happening on the daily chart, but the weekly chart is still this is ugly. This is very ugly right there. So if you want to learn how to trade, buy my trading NFT right here. It's on the Ethereum blockchain and also on the Matic blockchain, and yeah, wait, this ain't even the trading one right here. It's the trading one right here, and you'll get access to the trading course right there. So I wanted to take a look at a couple of more charts real quick, and one of them was this ETH chart right here, because ETH is still above the 200, and ETH has been leading Bitcoin as of late, and we see that ETH did come up and retest the 13 moving average and then get rejected, and we haven't really seen that yet on Bitcoin. We haven't seen this test of the 13 moving average. So even if we do get some type of bullish things going on and we start heading to 25 and everybody's like, yay, again, like they were for a little bit last week, it might do the same thing that ETH is doing. So we literally want to hold these levels like always. We've been saying that like always, but hey, bearish until otherwise. Also, the DXY is looking like it wants to continue to come down, but like I said, I'm thinking that the DXY can come all the way down to 104. This is a long-term weekly chart, by the way, so these are long-term weekly goals right here. The DXY has probably come down here and retest a 13 moving average, but that could still be bullish. I could still be bullish for the price of this. Target is at 120 for that, and that will probably spell, hopefully, maybe, I don't know, that's a guess because you can't really tell the future with technical analysis, but hopefully maybe that's the top for the DXY, and that will be the bottom for the Bitcoin chart. Right here we seeing that the stock market did get above its 13 moving average, so I don't know. Things look pretty interesting here. Bitcoin has been following the stock market, and it's having itself a little turnaround, breaking out of its little daily resistance box that we've seen right here. So let me know what you guys think about these charts right now. How do you feel about Bitcoin? Do you think it's still correlated to the stock market now that it's getting rejected and the stock market is looking like it is pumping more than it? Or do you think it's just following it like I think it's just following ETH right now? They take turns following each other in this market, at least from what I have seen. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. Like I said, check out my trading courses and my cryptocurrency courses if you're new to crypto. I do have them available as NFTs, and they're also on my website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com, where you can get yourself merch and other NFTs, and also learn about the Ohana DAO, where I'm trying to feed the family. So till next time, RIP to crypto roots. Till next time, peace.